Hey friends, if Google Chrome is not installing on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Apps tab, select Installed Apps. Now search for Chrome and then click on these three dots at the top right corner and select Uninstall and then select Uninstall and uninstall it completely. Okay, this is how you can uninstall Chrome. After this, you will have to search for, I'll show you how to do it. You will have to search for disk cleanup in the Windows search bar and then go to disk cleanup. Click on OK. Check all of the boxes here. Now click on OK and then select delete files. The next stage is a little different. You'll have to press Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type app data percentage and then hit enter. Return to the app data page. Go to local. Try and find Google here if you find it. Right click on it and select delete. Now you have deleted every component of Google Chrome. So you can go to the Chrome download page once again. Chrome download. Okay, we'll go to the download Chrome page. Click on download Chrome and then you can open it to initiate the installer. It will work this time. See, it's downloading now and it will also install it. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.